Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Now we are taking you down south to the state of Karnataka. We have received some breaking news now coming in about that gruesome Hubballi murder case. We are now learning that victim father has asked for a CBI investigation and said that police is also working under some pressure. Let's listen in from victim's father himself first.
चाहता हूँ इसको भी ट्रांसफ़र करना है यहाँ से और इमीडिएटली गृह मंत्री को और मुख्यमंत्री जी को मैं विनती करता हूँ। मेरे नेता लोग है, वो मेरे मुख्यमंत्री है, मैं उनके पार्टी का निगम पार्षद हूँ और मुख्य गृह सचिव भी हमारे आदमी है, हमारा सरकार है। हम डिमांड करते हैं कि इस कमिश्नर को आप इमीडिएटली इस केस के लिए लापरवाही करने के लिए इसको हटा के दूसरा कमिश्नर देखो या इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन आप COD दे दो या नहीं तो आपको मैं तो सबको डिमांड करूंगा या CBI देता हूँ।
We have CNN News 18's Akshara joining us on the broadcast, who has been tracking all of the updates within the same story for us very closely. Akshara, very good morning to you. This is something really concerning and pivotal at this point of time, considering the victim's father being a Congress's corporator and Congress's government being there at the state. He is demanding the transferring of the commissioner for the negligence in the case and also the case to be transferred to the CBI.
Well, that's absolutely, that's the word coming in from the father of Neha, who was brutally murdered a couple of days back in Karnataka. And he claims that there are more people involved, and so the case must be handed over to the CBI. Now, he's also making allegations that, proper heed is not being paid to paid to this whole case. So yes, that's what we are hearing from the father of Neha, who was brutally murdered. So that's the demand coming in. Now, remember, JP Nadda, the BJP president, also visited Hubballi yesterday, and he visited the family of the deceased. He spoke to the father, the whole family, and he also stated that there must be an CBI investigation. So both the father and the BJP president JP Nadda have both pressed for a CBI inquiry. So we'll have to wait and watch how things will pan out, what the response will be from the Karnataka state government, whether the Karnataka state police will continue with the investigation or whether they'll pay heed to the request of the father of Neha that there must be a CBI investigation. So yes, we have to wait and watch what the decision will be taken by the Karnataka state government regarding the request from the father for a CBI inquiry. And while this goes on, the BJP has continued to have the anti against the Karnataka state government. It is questioning the law and order, the state of law and order here in the state of Karnataka. There have been protests from the ABVP, BJP workers and the pro-Hindu outfits as well from the past couple of days. And today also we're likely to witness a protest across the state, which is going to be held by the BJP against the alleged failure of law and order here in the state of Karnataka.
Right, Akshara, please stay with us since you touched upon the politics being played around this entire saga. We have got a big political